The information we're getting is that after the official event at Victoria Memorial at 7 p.m. today, the Prime Minister will stay back for high tea, where there's been a select group of people who've been invited. And these are people from all walks of Bengali society. The Ministry of Culture has sent out invites to at least 200 people who are expected to attend this high tea session with the Prime Minister. Polami, it will be interesting to read through that invite list. Any idea of who's part of this high tea session with the Prime Minister?
Well, what we've been told by our sources within the Ministry of Culture is that prominent and eminent personalities from Bengali society have been invited for that, off-record interaction, if you may, with the Prime Minister after the official program at Victoria Memorial ends at 7 p.m. today, if it goes as per schedule. So after that program, the Prime Minister will be staying back for high tea. At least 200 people have received that very coveted invite from the Ministry of Culture, and they'll be present over there. They'll, of course, be present for the program at Victoria Memorial as well. Before the Prime Minister arrives there at 4:30 p.m. he's scheduled to arrive at the Victoria Memorial. So very, very interesting development that, of course, Akshita, something we'll look forward to in terms of watching whether Mamata Banerjee also stays back for that high tea program after the official program gets over at a Victoria Memorial. But eminent personalities from various walks of Bengali society have received that invite. We know that there are some of those eminent personalities are going to be performing before the Prime Minister today. Usha Uthup will be performing Akla Cholo Re with a choir before the Prime Minister, which is again an iconic song penned by Rabindranath Tagore. And then, of course, there is famous Assamese singer Papon, who will be performing as well. He will be performing a song called Subhashji with a symphony orchestra. He'll be performing over there. There are other artists as well who are going to perform before the Prime Minister, including school children who from West Bengal, from various districts of West Bengal, who will be performing before the Prime Minister today as well, which is the iconic marching song of the INA, which is Kadam Kadam Badhaye Ja. That will be performed by the school children as well. So everyone has a seat over there for this very, very interesting program which is to happen. But then, of course, a select group of 200 will be staying back to join the Prime Minister over high tea.
Okay, Paul, let me request you to stay on with me. I just want to sum up all the information that we have at hand about the Prime Minister's event. He's going to be there to celebrate Parakram Divas in Kolkata. He's going to be presiding over the inaugural function of the celebrations, and this is going to happen at Victoria Memorial in Kolkata. The Prime Minister will inaugurate a permanent exhibition as well as a projection mapping show on Netaji, followed by a cultural program based on Netaji's life and times. Prime Minister Modi also put out a tweet early this morning calling Netaji a great freedom fighter and a true son of India. He also said that we will always remember his sacrifice, both his sacrifice and dedication for the independence of the country. So this is something we've been mentioning as well. Mamata Banerjee is going to be there where the Prime Minister is at the Victoria Memorial at 4:30 p.m. today. We also saw several other tributes pouring in. Home Minister Amit Shah paid a floral tribute to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in Guwahati. Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar also paid homage to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. President Ramnath Kovind also paid a floral tribute.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने एक निर्णय किया है कि सुभाष बाबू के 125 साल को देश भर में बहुत उत्साह और उमंग के साथ मनाया जाएगा, और इस प्रकार से मनाया जाएगा आने वाली कई पीढ़ियां सुभाष बाबू को उनके जो काम है, उनको देश की आज़ादी के प्रति उनका जो योगदान है, उसको लंबे समय तक याद रखेगी। और मोदी जी ने जो फैसला किया है सुभाष बाबू की 125वीं साल को मनाने का, हम सब उसमें हिस्सेदार बने।
Time for wake-up call now. This day is indeed sacrosanct for all of us. This day we must, and I am sure, will ignite in all of us fervor of nationalism and passion for nation building. Series of steps are being taken all over the country in one form or the other.
देश की आज़ादी के लिए वो ऐतिहासिक नेताजी का घर में भी हम लोग जाएंगे, और शाम को भी कार्यक्रम है विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल में। तो बहुत खुशी का बात है, पूरा देश आज नेताजी को सम्मान दे रहे, कारण नेताजी था लिबरेटर ऑफ इंडिया।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.